March soybeans were sharply lower, giving back all of Wednesday's gains, and we continue with quite a bit of volatility in the markets. I will have a little side note here that volatility can mean a lot of things. Sometimes it can mean an extreme in the markets, either highs or lows. And in this case, soybeans have been traversing recent highs lately. So do keep an eye on this price action of higher, lower that we've been seeing. In the meantime, South American weather remains in focus for the markets. We're watching very closely. We have multiple issues going on. For one, Argentina got about half the amount of rain that they usually expect through the month of January. And there isn't a whole lot of relief in sight, although there are some rains in there for the next week. We will continue monitoring that. Some of the private analysts have already lowered Argentinian's crop by about 2 million metric tons. That would get a lot worse if the rains don't come in greater strength at some time relatively soon. In the meantime, we're also watching Brazil for harvest delays. They're getting too much rain in their main producing state of Mato Grosso. That is slowing them down from getting in and getting the soybeans out. That's also an issue for corn because they're trying to plant their second season corn crop, and that's being delayed as well. In the meantime, we had export sales, our weekly export sales report came out on Thursday as usual, and it fell below the low end of the trade guesses. It was a very wide range of guesses between 450,000 and 1.7 million metric tons. It's almost impossible to fall outside of a range that wide, but we managed to do it. Soybeans came in at 438,000 metric tons. That was a bit disappointing and probably added to a fair amount of the pressure that we saw here on Thursday. So lots to be watching for. Everybody stay tuned and you stay safe.